Hey everyone, welcome back to GearStorm, the place where we take a closer look at the most powerful and exciting machines hitting the streets. Today we're diving into the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a car that has built its reputation on pure muscle and insane horsepower. Dodge may be moving into a new electrified future, but the Hellcat remains a symbol of unfiltered American performance, blending tradition with modern tech to create something truly wild. From the front, the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat keeps that menacing presence it's known for. The wide body stance, massive grille openings, and dual hood scoops make it instantly recognizable. The hood features a central heat extractor to keep the supercharged engine running cool, while the LED headlights sit deep within the grille, glowing with Dodge's sinister signature look. It's a face designed to intimidate, and it does so with ease. Moving along the side, the Challenger is still unapologetically muscular. The long hood, short rear deck, and flared fenders give it that classic muscle car silhouette, while the updated bodywork adds sharper lines and modern aerodynamics. Wide tires sit on 20-inch lightweight forged wheels, with Brembo performance brakes peeking out behind them. Dodge has managed to keep the retro-inspired look alive while giving the car a more refined, modern edge. Inside, the Hellcat delivers a mix of old-school muscle and modern luxury. The cabin is wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with optional carbon fiber trim for that performance feel. The seats are heavily bolstered to keep you planted during high-speed runs, but still comfortable for cruising. A large digital cluster displays performance data, boost pressure, and customizable driving modes, while the central touchscreen runs Dodge's updated Uconnect system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its brute personality, the interior is surprisingly well equipped and tech-savvy. At the back, the Challenger's wide stance is obvious. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, and the trunk lid features a subtle spoiler that adds downforce without taking away from the clean muscle car look. Quad exhaust outlets finish off the aggressive rear design, and when the engine roars to life, they let everyone around know this is no ordinary car. Now let's talk performance, the true heart of the Hellcat. Under the hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, now pushing close to 820 horsepower. Dodge has refined the power delivery, pairing it with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. 0 to 60 comes in just about 3.4 seconds, and the top speed edges over 200 miles per hour. With launch control, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes, the Hellcat isn't just about raw straight-line speed, it's also more composed than ever on the road and track. Pricing for the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat starts around $78,000, but with options and special trims, it can easily climb into the mid-$90,000 range. Still, for the performance on tap, it remains one of the best horsepower per dollar deals on the market. That's the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Loud, powerful, and still carrying the muscle car torch into a new era. Would you take this over rivals like the Mustang GT500 or the Camaro 1 Zelati? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to GearStorm for more reviews of the world's most exciting performance cars.